Hello and welcome. It's Julie Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a little test pour. And I'm using the Boom Gel stain. This product is like fantastic for doing the bloom effect, but without the worry of all the ingredients. It's basically a pour from the container straight onto your base color. The only thing that you have to have is your, well, I don't know if you have to have it, because you can use the sterling wax or any color and add a little bit of the, where is it, boom cell enhancer, but I haven't added that to the anything today. I've just got my Amsterdam white mixed with Floetrol that I've got in this container. So I'm going to try the Boom Gel with a swipe, and I'm going to kind of, I'll explain it as I go along. This is a little cutting board, bamboo little cutting board. So I thought if I can get something nice on it, I can then resin it afterwards, and or I don't suppose I could use food on it unless it was a food safe resin. So I've got it on my little turntable-y thing. Not that I really need the turntable, because I'm going to I'm not going to do a spin, but I can use it, I guess, to turn it about. So I've put this little lollipop stick underneath my turntable. It just gives me better control to spin it without having to touch anything. Okie doke, so I have got the, this is just house paint that somebody recommended that I try the house paint that usually can get it to work better, but I'm not sure. I have used the other paint before and got fairly good results. So I'm going to just spread that out before I start, so I get it over my edges, so I haven't really got to have any concern about it going right over the edges if I've already done it, and then losing some of the pattern that I hope to achieve. So I don't believe I've done a swipe in this for a very long time, so I can't even remember what results I got, whether I got good or bad. So just been having a play with these paints. They're available in the link underneath in the description box below this video. Just I do not get paid by this company or the company any cash monies or any monies to recommend you guys these products. So I'm just telling you because I had somebody say to me, oh, you're only using the paints that you're getting money for. I don't get money from the paint companies. So I am telling you that I just show you what I love. So there you go. Okay, I'm going to put some Willy Wagtail Black. So let's just Willy Wagtail Black. I am going to go Pinnacle Sand. Ooh, 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 ooh. I will go the Bangara Brown. Maybe I'm using too much. I will go a bit of Banksia Orange. It's kind of autumny colours, isn't it? And I was going to put the gold in, but I don't think I will. I might put a bit of white. This is a sterling white. And then finish it off with Kookaburra Brown. Might put a bit of that more on top. So this is the sand colour. I've probably got way too much paint. I'm just thinking, I've got this, I'm not even sure if this is made up with Floetrol or I know it's the sterling wax, but I'm not sure if I added Floetrol or the Boom Booster. Now this one has got Floetrol, so I will do the swipe. Let's see what I get. I will swipe with this. Wowzers, trousers. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Looky, looky. See, that handle comes in handy to turn the thing around. I don't know if I need all this cell activator. I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, we go for it. Wow, okay. That's come up gorgeous. Nothing's happened there. That is beautiful. Not as good this side. I'm not sure why. I don't think I should do that either. Maybe I should spin it. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Or maybe I do one of these whirly girly things down the center. Why hasn't that come up like this side? So obviously I better add a bit of interest in here. Why is that? Maybe I should start again. I've got some awesome cells here and the colour is fantastic, and then nothing that side. So that is a shame. Oh, watty. Should I scrape that one side? It's just got nothing. Maybe I try the heat gun. I don't think that'll make much difference with this paint. Oh yeah, it did. Say that, it did. Look at that, look at the cells coming up. Oh well, there you go. Huh. I did not think the gun would make any difference. But it did. It's got another one over the back that I tried earlier that I didn't even put the heat gun on because I thought, oh, it's not going to make any difference. But it actually did. So, well, that's interesting. It is very... Now I reckon I've spoilt the centre. But I'll bring the camera down and show you those absolutely gorgeous blooming cells. Ooh. So here we go. Look at those cells. They're gorgeous. So a bit of a no-brainer because I didn't have to do anything to it. So look at those gorgeous, delicate little bloomers. Blooming gorgeous. So I really like the edges now. Didn't think that the heat would make any difference, but it did. But look at the center. I do not like that center. So what do you do? Do I leave it and try and embellish it when it's dry, or do I scrape it and try again? What would you do? What would you do? Alrighty, there you go. Sorry about the reflection back up, but that is my little effort for today. So if you'd have any suggestions for that centre, or would you have just scrape it, let me know, please. I can take constructive criticism. Criticism is another name I can't say, isn't it? Colours are very nice, so that would look so nice. Maybe I'll turn it into a giraffe. I wonder if I can do that. Maybe I could try. Maybe I could try. Okie dokie, people. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm very happy that you joined me today, and I hope you'll be back tomorrow when another exciting episode. So take care and bye for now.